Hello, everybody. This is Clint. We have a very short update for you today. We are going to be getting into weekly community updates. We'd like to have you attend. You can ask questions, invite your team, make suggestions, etc. But we've got a lot of important information to share with you today, so let's get right to it. What we're going to cover today is the marketing channels and the chronology that we're going to be rolling these out. This is really kind of exciting, and I want to make sure that everybody is crystal clear on what it is we're doing and why we're doing it. Our marketing channel for Earn with Your Phone is live as we speak. We'll take a look at that. The next marketing channel is the Power 11. That's the compensation plan for the traffic exchange, or the TPOs. And this is something that's been in place since we launched in 2017. And we kind of think it's, I don't want to say misunderstood, but it's so powerful that we wanted to have a presentation and even a marketing channel that explains it and allows you to share this powerful way to earn infinity depth commissions with the world. Okay. Then, concurrent with that, we had a conversation with some of our leaders, and we have made purchases at TPO 9 and 10, in addition to TPO 11, exempt from pass ups. And we're going to show you not only that information, but a hack to get a discount. And I use the word hack with air quotes. And then finally, let's make sure that everybody subscribes to the YouTube channel. You want to like and subscribe. We're going to talk about that just a little bit. All right, so let's roll down. And again, we're going to talk about the marketing channels. And here on the ITB main dashboard, you've all seen these images for years. All right, this is a project that we've been wanting to work on. We've been distracted with other things, but now with bringing on our good friend Tim Bennett, who's a graphics and creation expert, we're finally doing what we want. Now, each one of these channels has information specific to that channel. Okay. Now, obviously, ITB mailer channel will be about the mailer. The Power 11, which is coming next, talks about the traffic package option compensation plan, the traffic exchange. And what is live right now is the Earn with Your Phone. And this will give you, excuse me, a quick example of what this looks like and why it's so powerful. All right. Many of you know and have commented, there's so much going on with ITB. How do I find what I want? How do I find the pieces of ITB that are best for myself and my audience? That's the question we get. Here's how we're addressing that, and that's with these marketing channels. All right. So the Earn with Your Phone campaign is basically designed, in essence, for people that might be a little bit financially strapped. They're willing to share ITB with other people who are looking to make money through duplication and leverage. All right. Now, the key here is that everything related to this campaign is right here. Watch this video of Tim and I explaining the Earn with Your Phone. You can see here we have a teaser video and a full webinar, and then a getting started guide. Keep in mind that each one of these marketing channels will have all this information in the same format. Okay, so you can kind of see what's available. Down here are the links. This page one link allows you to share the teaser video that then rolls into the full webinar recording, so that everything to introduce, tease, and explain is all right in front of you. Okay. Better yet is the fact that we've got marketing materials, whether it's email copy, text ads, and even blog post banner ads, and most important, especially for this campaign, social media posts. And we'll be doing more and more training on that. But these are posts that you can post to your Facebook or your Instagram, and it gets people to say, well, gee, that's interesting. What are you talking about? How can I earn with my phone? How can I earn to infinity depth? How can I help solve my financial problems? You then send them, ta-da, you send them this link. It'll be a teaser and they walk through it. And through duplication, this can become very, very powerful. Okay. So that's the concept for the Earn with Your Phone. As I said, it's live and available now. The next one that's coming out, hopefully by the end of this week. Okay. Today's 21st. Hopefully by the 24th, we'll have the Power 11. That will be sitting here on your dashboard. We're going to add a new image. We're going to be taking out the freeway system. You'll be able to click it, and all the information about the Power 11 compensation plan, but it also including the marketing material so you can share that with your existing community and leads and referrals and for your cold marketing. Okay, so it really is a wonderful way for us to share the various features of the community. All right. Now, just one more thing, and then we'll move on. But keep in mind that we're going to be rolling these out. I'm really excited about doing the ITB mailer, the Double Your Bitcoin. We're going to show you how a few simple referrals can help you double your Bitcoin again and again and again and again while you're helping us build the community. Okay. All of this stuff is backed by quality advertising. All of it is backed by sustainable, logical math and logic. Keep in mind that we launched in 2017. We are 9 years old. Okay. So let's kind of pop back over here again and take a look. So the exemption from pass ups is now extended down to the TP09. All right. We had make the pass ups exempt. So once you own the TP09, 10, or 11, you no longer have to give any future pass ups as long as you retain your purchase boost exemption. All right. Which is 300 days. You can always expand that. All right. I also want to show you, okay, I also want to show you how to get even a greater discount. You may or may not have seen this, folks. Let's take a look. So you come here to buy TPOs. I'm going to show you a couple of things. Kind of fun. My connection's a little bit slow today. Okay, so here on the advertising summary page, you can see here what your purchase boost let's see. So you're seeing here, whoops, the Surf Boost activation. So at TP09, you need to make sure you surf 10 pages in one day every 20 days. Okay. But the real main event is down here. All right. So TPO9 gives you 300 days. Now I want to show you something. This is the main membership, which is 800,000 Satoshi. That's about $500 right now. I'm going to show you how to get that for half price. Notice over here, 500,000 ad credits at the regular purchase. But come back up here. You may not have seen this. Okay. So I want to show you the XXS. All right. Again, we'll do a coffee talk just on this in one of our future coffee talks. But for our update, I want to show you this. All right. So there are some people that only are interested in the advertising. So we've created 3 packages that give you more advertising at a better better cost, but it's focused on the advertising. For those of you that are focused primarily on the affiliate side, we also have these various purchase options with different pricing that give you less credits and more TPO. So we're talking about the TPO9. How do we get it so that you're exempt from pass ups? Let me show you. Remember, TPO9 is about $500 and you get a 500,000 credits. Look what happens when we switch to the XXS. All right, let's come down here. And keep in mind, this is only available at TPO 6 and above. Look at our TPO 9, still 300 days, but it's 250 bucks, 264. Okay, so it's exactly half. It's 400,000 Satoshi, and you get a lot less credits, 125,000 credits instead of a 500,000. All right. So keep in mind that these options are there for you. And, if you don't want as drastic of a cut, you can select the other options. Okay. Sorry about that. The XXS and the X and the small. So I don't want to confuse you. Feel free to ask questions in our social community in Facebook or in Telegram if you have questions on this. But the most dramatic price reduction, 50%. Okay, you're getting it for half price. You get a lot less credits, but you also get a lot more TPO. All right. And keep in mind at TPO9, whether you buy XXS or any of the other X's here, you're at TPO9. That makes you exempt from giving pass ups. Hope that made sense. All right. Now, we did take a look at the purchase price, and then we are going to be talking about the TPO9, or we are talking about that in our latest coffee talk. So let's take a look at our YouTube channel. You can see here, folks, that we have the various playlists, and the one you want to look for here is the coffee time. All right. And that's where Tim and I are doing a coffee time chat about various things about the community. We're going to try and do 3 or 4, maybe 5 a week, but that's where you're going to find the new presentation talking about the TPO 9. Okay. So let's just scroll on through here and then wrap this up. Again, make sure that you like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay. And the question for that is why? What's in it for me? What's in it for you folks is that as we have more subscribers, more traffic, more great content, people are going to find us. They won't have sponsors. They're going to come in. They're going to go, great, what is this? I'm going to come here and join Infinity Traffic Boost. If they come in without a sponsor, when they join, it'll say, are you sure you don't have a sponsor? Just to make sure they don't. They'll then join. And you know what happens to them? They come into what we call the PIF pool. All right. You can see that. I don't want to wander around through the site, but you can see in affiliates and PIF referrals. This allows you, watch this, this allows you to PIF or pay it forward to these people that come in without a sponsor, and you pay for their TPO1, which is about $3. But guess what? You make 80% on that. Okay. So it really, really is cool. Unless, of course, that's your second sale. But you get 80%, but don't go wild. A lot of these people join, they might click a couple things and then they disappear. So we have a really good video, okay, that is available right here. Hold on. Sorry, I'm just about done with this presentation. uh, Again, my computer is a little slow, plus we got Zoom working. So over here, the Pay It Forward presentation talks about using this PIF functionality, and our friend Marty Bostic does a really good job of explaining how to kind of research who might be a good person to pay it forward to. Okay, I hope that made sense. Like I said, be smart, don't go wild, seek those that are engaged and pay it forward to them. Once you pay it forward, you then have their contact information, and you can say, hey, I just paid for you to upgrade. You can take advantage of that. You've got more credits, you can earn more money, etc., etc. Okay. And you click here, as I'm showing here on the Pay It Forward, to learn a little bit more. Marty does a great job, one of our members. Okay. And that pretty much is it. I greatly appreciate you having a listen to this presentation. We will be doing these live twice a day on Tuesdays as a regular event. And sometimes we'll have a lot of good information. Other times, just be some basic updates. But do try and attend, invite your team. You can ask questions, get to meet the co-founder, myself. Oftentimes Tim will be here. Sometimes we'll drag Frank in, just so you know the people behind your community. Okay, that pretty much is it. I want to thank you so very much for coming in, and we look forward to working with you and helping everybody to accumulate Bitcoin and get the advertising you need to be successful online. Thanks, everyone.